Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog, and today I have a Panda Express right here guys, and Panda Express. I have shamein, the noodles over here, and the chicken with beans, which is, looks so delicious. Let's try it out, guys. Get this. Delicious. Guys, so get this one. It's so delicious. Look at it. I don't have no rice, just the noodles and the chicken. Also the beans with onions in it. Now here, guys. And this is extremely fresh, really fresh. Guys, I forgot to get some spices though. Spicy chicken. Then guys, look at that, guys. Look, the beans, noodles, chicken, so onion on it.